Number 15, use synthetic division to find p of -2 for x to the 4 minus 7x cubed minus 8x minus 3. Now, there are other ways to solve this problem. For example, you could substitute a -2. You could enter in the equation on the y equals and go to your table and see what is a y when x is -2. So if you substitute or you use the graph, we know our answer is 85, but the directions specifically said to use synthetic division. So if you want full credit on this question, especially if it's a work pad, you need to do synthetic division. So let's do that. We have -2, and we've got a 1x to the 4, a -7x cubed. There is no x squared, so there needs to be a 0 inserted there, 0x squared, a -8 and a -3. So that's the biggest mistake that students make here. They forget that you need to have x to the 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If one of the terms is not included, then you put a 0 there. And from here, you bring down the 1 times -2. Add those up, times -2. Add those up, times -2. And we have positive times a negative. Add those up, times a -2. And we're going to check our math because we're not getting the same answer. No big deal. Bring down the 1. 1 times -2 is -2. Let's make sure we copied it right. 1, -7, 0, -8, -3. Okay. 1 times -2. Minus 7. Should probably do it this way in the first place. Times -2. And there we go. Okay. All right, so when you use synthetic division, you get this. You need to know, though, that what you're looking for is just the remainder. So don't write that the answer is remainder 85, 44, 18x minus 9x squared x cubed. They asked us, use synthetic division to find p of -2, and p of -2 equals 85. Because 85 is the remainder when using synthetic division. Okay, and that's why it also helps to use your calculator and check your work so you don't make any calculation errors and lose points.